I just learned about an AI tool that will put together a storytelling presentation for you. So let's try it out and see if it actually works.
So the tool is called Tome, and it claims to write a story-like presentation for you. So it's pretty easy to set up, and they have a bunch of templates to get you started, but you can create something from scratch as well. I just picked a random sort of company or startup template. I went through it and, the gist of the template made sense. It seemed to cover most of what this kind of presentation should. I really liked the UI and the functionality of the tool itself as simply a presentation creation tool, nothing to do with AI. You can add a little commentary with a video to any slide, which I thought was really useful if you are sending this to someone asynchronously. And then I tried the AI part of the tool and told it to add a new page that described the existing features of a product. So basically, I'm telling it to add a new page to the presentation that outlines features of the product because it was actually missing this from the presentation. And it gave me this generic headline and description, basically just created a blank page. So then I changed it up a bit and told it to list features of the product instead. Basically give me a page that I was hoping would have like bullet points or maybe a table or something like that. But it gave me this really weird table graphic and again, a very generic headline and description. Then I told it to create a page with a financial forecast. And again, very generic headline and description and this strange image of a graph. To create a presentation for a 12-month roadmap from scratch. Then I asked it to create a presentation from scratch for a product roadmap. The result was better than the previous attempts, but still not what I was expecting because it just gave me a generic headline and description and 4 slides that I could have put together myself pretty easily.
I'm not really sold on this, to be honest. I really like their templates and the general gist of the product, but the AI literally didn't do anything except create a very generic page with a very generic description.